Shobafet, welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cast the Hands and Class. And I'm asking the beautiful, great fan host Nkupi, the entertainer. Today it's a great day because later on in the evening, Katra said he's gonna come. Yeah, he's from a show, but he's going to chill a little bit with me before he leaves and goes back to Joburg. So when he comes from Joburg, he's gonna pass by here and we're gonna chill for a little while. So today, later on in the evening, I'm gonna be with him. It's been a while, so yeah, can't wait for this day to end already. Let's go and do this. Whatever they're doing today, yeah, shall see. So look at the video where I come go about Pergate. Suzuki Peugeot.
Forward, man.
Equa? Why a wagon?
I got a low.
Oh, food Mamutaj. Food Mamtai dream. Okay, Cabona, guys. I feel like nigga two bars aggressive. Nelly can do. Yeah, two different sub-assemblies. Move on. Molly will stock of us. We're going to trouble. The ring.
Chopping your feet on Sibet.
I'm all in your good movie. Look, she's about to go low even. Ndiza mfane autono takamo wawa autono takamo wino wakwa wakwa autono takamo wino
Babuchuru pinje, what's wrong?
la bella ke chabu pi
Pinya, babu, dia kamu kalau buat. Agar chabu pi, babu churu wa.
Fati, I reckon it's me.
Pere.
Sim Mirugu. No ya Mirugu, wish. It's na online data, my man. Bo, give me data off again. Cafecha, got to be like Wi-Fi. So, I really like it. Data la skill I really. And then last number 20 Koli. Now got still a phone air Koli. Ngositulu. Nasi na utakuli. Uquit. Nge uquit man or I quit. Ha. Iri pen. Maybe time this guy goes to work. And separates. By a thought. Yeah, again engineering street. Mona tsara grenela ka one hand to women.
Ke mang wa tsonjo go mantse. Yes.
Honey, I'm going to say. Emana hanuora tamo kibari bile war sound ya yukumanji. Hola. Manjumancho.
Niko mmoja.
Ke go shamanye ni.
Ke ngwentse gore ke wa
Uvalo.
re betha no.
Ke uvalo.
Re betha ke mama.
Bo jelo go ne le ngwe ba re ke uvalo.
Ya uvalo lona askale.
Skari askhale ijwile. Re betha no. Ya. Khule her briki ka kwa. Khule her briki ka kwa.
Mama. Mama ke ile foro. Ke yona ne ya olla. Ke itse.
Intanga itingindani.
Au file ka me bile ke re mangwa sande go mantshi. Nkupi wa laga.
O re lo thoma bona la re go ena ga fela blind.
Ke shora ai shiba ba ja go mantshi. Exactly.
Twa Jimmy. Woman. O sa Jimmy.
It's a adult senior bula.
Sub assembly. Emana wa ke fe wa ke chala ke dilo na. Emana lo di ampetha mo maotong. Ngaba petha.
Barlo iba ba di siya yes.
Me tomamba. Ngana ifuni mali.
Yeah.
Khamba busebenza uwinza.
Ulusweki.
Besikhumbule kakhulu manje. Emfe.
Shebana na bale khala ba yini. Ke ba
Udi engani?
wa di raphala.
Wena o tsubela ka sound wena. Mona ofishi wena mun. O khone selo mfana. Mfana wa khone selo. Level au khone. Hey guys, is that time. Let me go meet Katra Katra and everybody. Let's go. Leaving. We're taking Level's car now. Taking Level's car. I don't have mine. Show fit to welcome to another beautiful, fun, exciting episode of Cast and Clear. I mean, nothing beautiful, but fun, food, we need to chill out to listen to me. What is going on is that it's a chillers. It's a chillers. Video of it. Arna floor open. Woo! ATM. Auto teller machine. Ya chaya hurat. Baba. Salaga pela. Re sa bona koloi. E tlo tswa gape go na le BM show. Que todo mal está corre. Corre. Unyo ko shiana la ma. Emana unyo ko shiana la ma mun. Nanga mchia ka California pelele.
Amalo mikita la 70%. Kita rumela usa. Sorry, kala silver.
Motoma wa mponcha cam. Motoma mponcha launch.
Wa ba rimela dolphin ena ya ya ka fo
Ria guy. Where are we going? Rishala gore tumra. Batale phetha. Na ke a gae chaile le a tseba gore nna ke tšhošeng wena ba robolela kudu kwa YouTube ba robolela kudu host ana ke šala le
Tauko something kamu. Tau nyela video chao video po kwena.
Kita pakai ke? Ulising.
Kaya ba charungan mo niya?
Day. What day? Ariye, samaya. Ichwang. Oh, ambuji. Tanchi.